Starting out as a trader can seem like a daunting and complicated process. To make things a little easier, here are 5 tips to help you get started. First, do your research. Before you start trading, make sure you understand how to trade and what it is you're looking to get out of your time on the markets. Getting up to speed with the jargon can take time, but you should familiarise yourself with different trading strategies and styles and the financial markets. For example, do you want to trade forex or stocks? Or do you want to be a day trader or a position trader? These are all things you need to consider before getting started. Second, make a trading plan, a blueprint for your trading activity that can help you prioritise your needs and achieve your goals. A trading plan should take into consideration your time commitments, the markets you will trade, and the entry and exit rules for your trades. A trading plan should also include ways for you to manage your risk. Risk management strategies are designed to minimise your exposure to risk and can be a good way to outline when to apply stops to your trades. Stops are an instruction to close a trade at a specific price and will minimise your losses in case the market moves against you. Guaranteed stops will always close your trade at exactly the price you specify, even if there are liquidity problems in the underlying market. Mentality is a big part of being a successful trader. It's likely that not every trade you make will be successful, especially when you first start out. It's important that you don't let your emotions influence your decision making, particularly after you suffer a loss, as this can lead to further losses down the line. Finally, open a demo account. This lets you try out trading strategies with virtual funds before committing any real money. Opening a demo account can help you build confidence in a completely risk-free environment, which is a good way to find your feet before trading with real funds. To learn more about trading, including how to get started, join IG Academy today. It's completely free and gives you access to short, step-by-step courses and webinars on dozens of trading topics. Join IG Academy to learn more about trading. Alternatively, to start trading with virtual funds, open a demo account with IG.